Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, my intentions are to save a lot of people a lot of grief. First of all, if you haven't bought a GoPro Hero 7 Black yet, don't do it. You're getting ripped off. This problem is not just unique to me. A lot of people are having problems with their GoPro turning off in the middle of a recording session. It won't record, it won't charge. You'll leave it on the charger one night at 80%, trying to top it off for the next day's filming, and you'll come back to find it so dead that it won't turn on. I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Basically, anytime you have any problems with this unit, if it freezes up on you or locks up on you, immediately open the battery case and pull out the SD card. That's your problem. It's the SD card. Just from trial and error, I've determined that anytime I want to charge this unit, I have to take the SD card out of it to get the charge. See if I can get it to turn on here for you. See there, I'm at 100% power and it says no SD. Now the moment I put the SD card in there, it will work fine for a while, but then it'll start doing weird stuff after that. The lock screen keeps turning on. Hundreds of glitches. I could just go through the list, but for the most part, to fix all of those glitches, all you need to do is turn off voice control and take out the SD card. Some people are saying that voice control may be the culprit for turning off during recording sessions. I have missed very valuable footage that cannot be replicated due to its nature, like failures of machinery and explosions and things like that. So if you're recording anything important, anything of any value to you, do not use a GoPro Hero 7. It is an unreliable paperweight. It's not even all that great of a paperweight. I mean, we could test it, but I'm not gonna bother. So just that's all I got for you. This thing had problems right out of the box, guys, and the worst part about it was it was a gift, so I felt bad having to tell my wife I need the receipt. She bought this for me just out of nowhere, didn't tell me nothing, and poor thing, now look what happens. It's a piece of junk, and when you call GoPro and you're like, look, your product sucks, it doesn't work, I'm losing very valuable footage, can I get a refund please? They're like, they're Indians, first of all. They tell you they can't help you on their end. There's nothing they can do. The GoPro will not give you a refund, even though I've only owned this thing for 4 months. Had problems right out of the box though. I just didn't want to break my girlfriend's heart and tell her, hey, this thing sucks, babe. How much you spend on that? Well, she spent 400 bucks, bless her heart, and look at me. So I'm not too happy about that. Not cool. But that's how you solve it. You pull out the SD card. That's working for me so far. I've got it in here right now in the reader. It is a SanDisk or SanDisk, whatever it is, SD card. And from what I've seen on the videos, it is amongst the compatible SD cards. When you go to reformat the GoPro, that doesn't seem to work either. There's a lot of problems, people, gurus online talking about the fact that you can't reformat this right now. They may have fixed it by now. I don't know for sure. But for the most part, that's where we're at. That's if you're freaking out and you can't get a refund. Oh, here's the kicker. Best Buy won't give me a refund either, and we bought it with a Best Buy credit card. A camera that don't work. You can't get it to turn off half the time or turn on. Very sketchy piece of equipment there. And I thought I hated my iPhone 7. You can't download video off the iPhone 7 onto your computer without being a hacker and with a little bit of luck. But this thing, at least you can download videos very easily onto your computer or upload, whatever.